In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars on Android. Well, this game is already available on Play Store, so this video is really easy for you to follow up. So just click your Play Store, and then as you can see here, this is the GTA Chinatown Wars. So let's head back to the main interface of Play Store, and then search here GTA Chinatown Wars. Then click this. This is the official application of GTA Chinatown Wars. So just click the download button or the install button here. Then of course make sure that you have enough space for this download. There it will automatically download into your device and install it. So once the download has been completed, this game will be installed into your device and you can now play and enjoy GTA Chinatown Wars. And that's how you can download and install GTA Chinatown Wars on Android, and thank you for listening.